Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can mark negative numbers in red automatically in your sheets and tables on LibreOffice Calculator. So let us dive into this. So navigate to your table, and here inside your table, guys, highlight the row or the column with the numbers that include positive as well as negative numbers. So of course you can do this one by one for each cell. Left click into the font color, for example, here at the top and highlight it as red. But if you have an entire document and you would like to apply this automatically to negative numbers, highlight the set of or the range of numbers, and after that navigate to the given selected selections properties by expanding that option here to the right with that sidebar handle. And here under number format, select negative numbers in red, and that is going to highlight these numbers in red automatically so that you don't have to use the font color feature here, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.